Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking a look into this 2021 Transcend 245RL. But first, a quick reminder to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that bell notification icon because there's some exciting things that you don't want to miss. But let's get going. On the outside, first thing you'll notice is this gigantic awning. It does span all the way from the end of your camper, almost to your second door there. But talking about second door, we have two entrances. One enters to your master bedroom and the other one to our entertainment living space. One thing to note is there is only one slide on this camper, and it is not on our outdoor entertainment space. It is on the other side of the camper, but you can actually get to the bathroom and any space you need, including the bedroom or the kitchen, through one of your exterior doors, even when that slide is in. A few other things to note on the outside of this Transcend. We have a little LED light strip up there for a little bit of your nighttime action if you want to keep the party going all night long. We have an outdoor cable connector, more LED outlets, and some amazing windows. But let's take a look into that storage. Our pass-through storage is the only exterior storage on this Transcend, but it is fully finished. LED lights on the inside, perfect place to store your cords or anything else you need for your outdoor party. But on the other side, we have our utility bay, our battery disconnect, and everything we need for when we're at the campground. But let's look on the inside of this Transcend. Entering into our master through our second exterior door, we're starting at the front of the camper. We have a nice big residential size master bed here. We have lots of storage above, and on the side there are shelving options. They've also added in another wardrobe option in front of our master here. Mirrored on the outside, places to hang things here, more storage and more drawers below, plenty of storage. One thing to note is I have plenty of room walking around this bed. There's no lack of space here, and there is one window on the other side of your door in this bedroom. But walking into the only bathroom in this camper, we do have a separation between the master and the living space by two pocket doors here. Super convenient, and they're really nice wood look that match all of your cabinets. Sink space here, plenty of countertop space extending all the way here with more drawers and shelves below. Mirrored front, medicine cabinet, more storage behind there, obviously. Foot flush porcelain toilet. And our shower here, I am 5'11". I'm a little bit in the skylight, but still have plenty of room to maneuver around. And let's not forget the squeegee door that does squeegee off the extra water and moisture to prevent mildew. Moving through our second pocket door here, right into our entertainment space. First thing we're gonna do is look at our only slide of this camper, which houses our gas electric fridge, which does match the cabinet decor, and our Thomas Paine seating. All of this reclines. It even goes all the way back without hitting the slides. You can take a nap on this. I could totally imagine that. But we have lots of accent lighting, nice big windows on both sides. Looking towards our tri-fold sofa here, matches the decor. Again, lots more windows here on the back and added storage above. But this is a really comfortable layout, even when watching a movie, which comes from our entertainment system here. We do have a nice big smart TV that is on a swivel. So if you had a guest that was sleeping overnight in your tri-fold sofa, they can easily have a movie to fall asleep to. So that's super convenient. Looking into our kitchen here in this Transcend, first thing that we're gonna look at is our sink area. Nice big inset stainless steel humongous sink. A matching faucet with a removable head, perfect for doing dishes. 3 burner top Furrion stove. I love the blue backlit option. Lots and lots of places for dishes or anything else you need to keep, possibly food storage, but they do opt for more storage below here. That would be perfect to act as a pantry and 2 big drawers just in case you need them. Before heading out, one thing we want to point out is our control panel right here next to this door. Easy convenience, everything lights up. Our slides and our awning are both right here. And we have our indoor-outdoor speaker systems. One thing to add when thinking about this Transcend for your future is just how easy we can get it ready to go on the road. And just like that, you're off headed to an adventure outdoors for the weekend. So if you have any questions about this Transcend or anything else on the Grand Design line, stop by Cookeville RV and Marine or visit us online at cookvillerv.com where your adventure awaits. Did I play it off well?